Welcome to another vlog. So, before we start, please do subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe just to help grow my channel, no? So, from the last episode, yung Galant Shark natin, nabenta na natin at may bumili. The owner, it's his first car, si Boss Sticker. So, first car niya yun, matagal daw niya pinag-ipunan. The Galant stayed with us for about a year. Tagal din dito sa bahay, more than a year pa nga ata eh. So I was the owner of the shark for more than a year. Inalagaan naman natin yan. It's just funny how the world works. Kasi yung simula nating bigyan attention yung shark, diba, pinagawa natin yung brake, rebuild. Then I was supposed to have the timing belt work done. Nagpakot na ako kay Eldorado and everything. Sunod-sunod na dapat yun, pati yung ATF. But then biglang nabenta na yung shark. So, minsan gano'n, no? When you put your effort into it, dun mawawala. Pero, sabi nga nila, kung may mawalang isa, may papasok na isa. So, look what we have here in our garage. The beautiful 2013 Range Rover Sport Diesel. Not my car. This is the car of Rocky. If you haven't seen this one, nagawa na natin ng video to na feature na natin siya before. So, ever since na-feature natin tong otong to, I fell in love with this car, with this British royalty. Kasi ba't hindi? Ito mo naman, unang-una yung itsura niya, kahon na kahon, box na box, Range Rover na Range Rover. When you think of Range Rover, ito automatic ang maiisip mong model, no? Ito nga rin pala yung ginagamit ng Top Gear noon. During back in the days, yung kalakasan ng Top Gear, ito yung camera. Ito yung backup car nila. Ito yung mga sumusunod sa kanila. Imagine that. Ang Top Gear noon, kung saan pumupunta yan, no? Terrain, all terrain, whatever, wherever. Ito ang backup car nila. Kaya, that's a beautiful car. And it's an honor that the car is here in our garage. So, it will live here temporarily until we find the new owner. Kasi this one is for sale. This is not my car. This is again, Rocky's car. Si Rocky, napakadaming kotse niyan, napakadaming fleet niyan. Most of them Euro. So, binibenta naman niya. Kasi si Rocky, yan. Pag nagustuhan kotse, bibili niya yan. Tapos, aayusan niya ng konti. Kung may gustong bumili, hindi bibenta niya. Pero kung hindi, itatago niya, ikikip niya, gagamitin niya. No? As much as possible. Pero sa daming kotse nun, impossible for him to use everything. So, kaya nga ito, when nagkakilala kami, tapos he trusted me already, from time to time, nagpapadala siya ng sasakyan dito kung nag-free yung space para to help him out with the space. Tapos para ma-maintain. Kasi syempre, kailangan ginagamit-gamit to once in a while. Para hindi masira, di ba? As I've told you every time, ang kotse dapat ginagamit. Hindi dapat ginagarage queen yan. Ayaw nila. Lalo na yung kotse ganito, the caliber of this car. The more that you need to use it, or at least start, no? Once a week, pwede na yun. Twice a week, pwede na yun. Cars are meant to be driven, are meant to be used. So, I can't just believe na we have a Range Rover here. Autobiography pa, sport. At this is the best model for me, the Range Rover. Or the best year model for me, itong variant na to. Dahil poging talaga ako. The car is not that big, parang kasing laki lang siya ng Everest. Pero, the best experience of this one is the ride, yung interior sa loob, talagang ultimate luxury. Tapos yung V6 na diesel na yan, hindi ko akalaing sobrang tulin, sobrang responsive ng engine. Hindi tunog diesel when you are inside. The power is there when you need. This is 4x4. Lahat, no? Yung kulay, tama yung kulay na yan, no? Metallic, may glitters. So, walang sira. Si Rocky naman, yung mga pinapadalang kotse dito, yung sigurado siyang hindi masisira, no? Talagang top quality. Inayusan naman niya kasi ito eh. Inayos niya. He made sure that this car is ready for the next owner kung sino may gusto. So, this is, I think he's selling this for about 1.4. So, again, kung may gusto, hindi okay lang. Kung wala, hindi gagamitin namin. Walang problema. Swerte for me. So, imagine this, no? Nawala yung shark. Pero nagkaroon naman tayo ng Range Rover. Yan. So, temporarily, I'm the owner of this one. Alagaan natin hanggat makahanap si Rocky na ang buyer. So, ako naman, di ko pinopost, pero binivideo ko siya. Kasi, I like the car, and YouTube is my passion. So I'm sharing this car with you guys. So I hope you like this car. This is the key Range Rover. First start natin, kasi kailangan ko rin siya settings according to my specs. Meaning upuan. Paano ba to? Yan. Upuan, yung height ng upuan, and then mirror syempre. So may Bluetooth daw to eh. Anyway, I need to navigate. So welcome to the interior of the Range Rover. Diba? Napakaganda. May wood, punong-puno ng leather, lalo na dito. Yan yata yung one of the perks ng autobiography. May leather dito sa dash. And ito, tinakpan niya lang para to protect it. Pero cinnamon na tatawag dyan sa loob. Tapos we have the sunroof. It's not leaking. Tinanong ko na, naayos na raw niya yan. Dati nag-leak pero barado lang. So it's a full package. This is a 5-seater capsule, no? 2013 diesel, 250 horsepower. So you can see, buong-buo ang mga botones. Kaya, pag-alagang Rocky yan, sigurado tayo dyan. Start engine na siya, maliit lang. Tricky yan eh. Isa pa. Yun, dapat malalim. Ito mong dash oh, napakaganda ng dash, no? Digital na siya. It has 50,000 kilometers. Diesel again. Sabi ni Rocky, sobrang tipid daw nito sa diesel. So hindi daw gumagalaw yan. So malalaman natin. Actually mamaya punta ako office, I will use this car to get to know the car more, no? So kagabi na drive ko na siya. I took 11 kilometers in. At 12 na, naka 12 na ako dito. So tingnan natin nila na magagamit. So ito weird to. Yan yung control ng steering niya. Parang baliktad eh. Volume adjust. Teka lang, let me navigate muna, no? Pero ito yung interior yan, napakaganda. Yung riding position niya is high. Value for money, man. Talagang luxury inside. Feeling mo artista ka, feeling mo VIP ka, feeling mo boss ka, everything, no? And I like this one. Ito mo yung lock. Lalaki ng numbers, no? Tapos may Bluetooth na raw yan. Mamaya, check ko kung paano, kung totoo ba. So, yung radyo, touchscreen yan. Pero syempre, medyo mabagal. As expected, 2013 eh, di ba? Pero ayan, ano yan? What do you call this? Touchscreen. Digital naman during the time, 2013. Ganyan itsura. No? Tapos, ilan ba to? 6-speed. 6-speed manual. Maganda, may mga buttons pa tayo. The off-road modes. Ayoko galawin yan. Baka masira ko pa. We have the high, we have the low, we have the descent, we have the air suspension. Siyempre, this is an air suspension. Range Rover is known for the air suspension. So, up, down. Andyan yan. Hanapin ko na yung Bluetooth kung meron nga. Ay, patay. Mukhang wala. Hindi ko makonik. Sinasabi, parang kailangan daw ng app. Ay, nako. So, pero, let me ano na lang, YouTube, tinan mo ako kung paano, baka hindi na ako marunong. Anyway, ayan, here is the Range Rover Sport Turbo Diesel for you. Ganyan ang itsura niyan sa loob. In case you are wondering, napakaganda talaga ng leather interior. That's the best thing about this one. And the drive. Talagang imposibleng, patayin na natin. Talagang imposibleng hindi ka sasaya or ngingiti when you are driving this car. Tsaka baba lang eh. Madali umakyat. With that style Range Rover. Tapos ang ganda ng flares, cladding. Itong mugs na yan, napakaganda ng ginawa ni Rocky dyan. Pinalitan niya. It's on 22s, so malaki ang mugs. Ayan o. Tapos yung bumper, iba na rin yan. No? British royalty. So this will be a quick vlog. Parang in-update ko lang kayo sa kung ano yung nangyayari dito sa bahay, sa fleet. So, it's the first week of February 2026. So, gumaganda ang taon natin. We are moving cars. At may mga lumalabas, may pumapasok. Siyempre, kung may bagong kotse dito sa bahay, exciting for all of us. So, many plans for this one. Siyempre, gagamitin natin yan from time to time. Not every time. Siyempre, I want to preserve the mileage. And, yun. No? I will enjoy this car as much as I can with my family. Siyempre, matutuwa sila misis dyan, tsaka sila Anika. Kasya naman sila dun because this is an SUV. No? So, I'm really loving the color. Everything about this car I like. The ride, yung itsura niya, yung color, yung mags na nilagay ni Rocky, ito mo naman, oh. 'Di ba? This can be driven daily kasi nga diesel siya. Tama si Rocky, sabi niya. Sabi ko kasi, oh, meron supercharger kasi there's a supercharged version of this one, V8, gasolina, mas mura pa nga yun when kung mag-browse ka sa marketplace, mga 1 million, 1.1, minsan nga may below 1 M pa eh. So mas mura siya, V8 supercharged, a lot more powerful. Pero gas, sabi niya, lahat yan low mileage kasi hindi ginagamit dahil tinitipid ng mga may-ari dahil nga sa gas. Which makes sense. This one kasi, magagamit mo talaga just because it's a diesel. So, at the end of the day, may enjoy mo yung auto. So, total usage mo ng auto, mas sulit ang diesel siguro, no? Kasi mas magagamit mo siya, hindi ka mag-worry when you will compare it with a gasoline. Parang it makes sense, I can see it, no? Kasi nga, na-drive ko to kahapon for about 12 kilometers. Usable talaga siya. And it doesn't feel like a diesel when you are inside. Ang ganda ng cabin kasi nito eh, yung pagka-insulation, no? So, yun lang. Wala naman masyado ngayon. I'll bring this to work later. So, hello from the Range Rover, our new toy. Proud owner ngayon, temporary, of the Range Rover. So, hope you guys enjoy this car. Marami tayong videos na gagawin with this car. And more power to you guys. Thank you very much.
Two different levels, I cannot relate.